Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stockpile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.stockpile.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Stockpile homepage. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, input your password. Make sure that both entries are correct. If you want your browser to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your information, click the login button below the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Stockpile dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your email and password are typed correctly. For users who have forgotten their password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you can start managing your stock purchases and investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.